So basically what we're doing right now is we're getting out the Ranger. Andrew makes it aside, getting bait and stuff, and we're gonna go catfishing. So
got one. He freaking about snatched his head off, but he's got him. Well, we'll count it. 3 to 6. Oh, that about hurt. And I'm hung up, bro. Dang, cuz, look at that treble hook. Ow. We just saw a Goliath frog over there. I don't know where he went, though.
For bait, we're using Carolina Pride smoked cubed ham. And it's working pretty good. Cause Mason got another one. That's what, 3?
Yeah. Oh, God.
Is it a nicer one or?
Doubt it. Oh, yes. Oh, jump in the water.
He's flicking water everywhere.
Be number 7 if he can land it. Yeah, there it is. Avent's just kind of in the perfect spot.
I think this is big one, not big by any means.
Nah. Ah! Just kidding.
Shot.
Mason's got one. There he is.
Andrew got one. I don't even.
Here, I'll let you fish next.
Nah, dude.
I'll talk to you like a million of these. Dang,
That's Andrew's fish.
Yep.
He ain't that good, but
Bigger than the ones I
oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, here he is. First one of the day. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Good one. Good 3 pound.
yeah. Straight scale out.
There you go. He weighed like 2 pounds, 4 ounces. It doesn't show on scale right now, but I swear.
He's got one across the pond.
He's trying. Ooh. It is a nice one.
Don't break him off. Don't horse him. Here,
Horse him as hard as you can.
He went out away from it.
It's a good one?
Bigger than your last one? What?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Nice. Whoa, dude, I'm coming.
You bring a scale?
Yeah.
No.
What? What?
Grab him by his tail. You're gonna snap. That was risky. Oh yeah.
All right, just
That is a beast.
Heck no,
I'm not trying.
do it, just do it.
Oh my God, that's a fatty.
Move.
Dude, come on, just break it up.
Just bring that. Set it right on.
Break it up. You got it in there.
That thing's not 25 pounds. You can pull it.